recorded history of Mandi Bahauddin traces back to the time of Alexander the Great. Situated on the southern bank of the Jhelum River about 8 kilometers northwest of the present-day city, the village of Maung holds great significance in the early history of Mandi Bahauddin. During Alexander's conquest, his armies crossed the Jhelum region, leaving a lasting impact on the area. The village of Maung, in this region, can be considered a witness to the great conqueror's exploits. Over the centuries, Mandi Bahauddin witnessed various rulers and dynasties that left their mark on the region. The Ghaznavids, Mughals, and Sikhs each contributed to the cultural and historical fabric of the area. Today, Mandi Bahauddin stands as a vibrant city, blending its ancient past with modern developments. The historical sites, such as the main archaeological mound, attract visitors who are eager to delve into the region's rich history. Through its recorded history, Mandi Bahauddin embodies a diverse tapestry of cultures and civilizations. Exploring the remnants of its ancient past not only offers glimpses into the bygone eras but also sheds light on the evolution of this prosperous city. From the era of Alexander the Great to the present day, Mandi Bahauddin continues to leave an indelible mark on the map of Pakistan history and heritage. Mandi Bahauddin, located in Punjab, Pakistan, is a vibrant city and the capital of the Mandi Bahauddin district, with a population ranking it as the 41st most populous city in Pakistan, according to the 2017 census. It has become a noteworthy hub. The city, which has both Urdu and Punjabi roots, offers a rich cultural experience to its residents and visitors alike. Mandi Bahauddin's historical significance dates back to the ancient eras, evidenced by archaeological discoveries found in the region. This city stands as a testament to the region's rich history and cultural legacy. The local economy thrives on agriculture, with major crops including wheat, rice, sugarcane, and citrus fruits. The city's strategic location on the banks of the Jhelum River contributes to its agricultural success and serves as a transportation route for goods and people. Apart from its agricultural prominence, Mandi Bahauddin also boasts educational institutions, healthcare facilities, and recreational spaces to cater to the needs of its inhabitants. The city's commitment to knowledge and learning is reflected in its educational institutions, which provide a strong foundation for the future generations. Mandi Bahauddin is a city that not only preserves its history but also embraces progress. With its bustling markets, lively festivals, and warm-hearted people, it welcomes visitors to explore its rich tapestry of culture, traditions, and natural beauty. In a nutshell, Mandi Bahauddin is a city that stands tall as the heart of the Mandi Bahauddin district, showcasing the amalgamation of history, agriculture, education, and a vibrant social fabric. Mandi Bahauddin, the capital of the district, is also the Tehsil headquarters. Mandi Bahauddin was raised to the level of municipal committee in 1941. It was given the status of municipal committee after the implementation of Punjab Local Government Ordinance 2001. Municipal Committee of Mandi Bahauddin Tehsil is subdivided into 3 tehsils and 80 union councils.